Nico, what's up?
Yo, what's up, guys?
How you doing,
Hello.
bro?
What's up, Nico?
Are you good, guys?
Yeah,
Good,
sure.
good.
Very good.
All right. We're talking about market direction, right? Let's use let's see, this chart is empty. Yeah, this chart is actually empty. You know, when the market is not actually clear, right? That's why I tend to go on a much higher time frame. And if we go on the daily time frame now, right? From a daily time frame, I remember I sent this markup to the group chat where I want to see this low to get taken out. This is the daily through breaker structure. Because from the daily, after marking out all of your structure points, working out all of your structure points this way, external structure point, right? This was what we had right here. This was a fake break of structure. This was an inducement. Then we got mitigation of this week. Now, for the algo cycle to be complete, right? We want this low to get taken out. So my buyers since for Friday, right, yesterday, I was only looking to short to take out this low. So until this low get taken out, maybe on a much lower time frame, right? Maybe on the much lower time frame, you could get everything too long. But right now, market intention should like bearish until this low get taken out. You get that?
But don't you think there is an algo already here? This one, and this is a true. If you go to 4 hours,
4 hours. Okay. Okay.
this is kind of and this is double inducement. This is induced here first, and this is second. If you go to 1 hour, you will see it broke a structure here also,
Okay.
something
Go to
like that.
1 hour.
Is what I thought. That's what
Yeah,
my
yeah,
expectations was.
yeah.
This was one inducement. People got trapped here, and for algo people, this is another inducement where they got trapped again here, and this is why we are getting this
Okay, I
double
think.
inducement.
Yeah, this is like another possibility. This is a very nice possibility too. But because right, I like tend to focus on the much higher time frame because I want to know where price is going, and higher time frame is much more important than the lower time frame. That's why I have
Okay.
that bias to short, right? Now, I have that bias to short until I think it was this low, right? Yeah, until this low get taken out. But my bias is not always fixed. You know, we're always reactive now. So price can literally come back down, take this liquidity, and it's reacting from this PUI right here. Then I can as well long from here. Because I'm always reactive as long as I'm seeing the entry models and confirmation to take the long here. Then I'll take this. Still looking for shorts. Okay.
Got it.
Target. Yeah. Everything good?
Yep, all good.
All right. Okay. So we're supposed to do like a Q&A session because I remember for this week I've been sending in markups, trades breakdown right from Monday down to like Friday. I think I did not for Thursday or Wednesday, I can't remember. So we'll be doing little just Q&A session on this week's price action from Monday down to Friday. I think is Antonio here. Antonio is not here because he asked questions based on Friday's trade right here. We'll look into that too when he joins. So let's see where did Monday start from? Hold on.
Buck,
Yeah, bro.
I just had questions afterwards when you get a chance. I know you said the trade breakdowns, but like, because I tend to focus on the 5-minute time frame, and
Okay.
I did not see a lot of trade on Thursday and on Tuesday because the price was just like, doing one direction, like taking the liquidity of the Asian low and went high. So I didn't see like a 5-minute MSU for entry during London pre New York Open. So if you see anything, just let me know when you get a chance on it after anyone's question answers, please.
Okay. So you said pre New York, right? Or pre London? On Tuesday.
Pre-New York, I did not see any 5-minute MSUs apart from like maybe one on Tuesday, but nothing on Thursday until like late London. So
Okay.
whenever you get a chance, yeah, no worries, no rush.
No problem. So let's do that now. Let's check Tuesday's price action and see if we get any. You said 5-minute MSU, right? Let's check Tuesday's price action.
Yeah, 5-minute.
All right. Think this would be Tuesdays. Okay. Now this was Tuesdays. Asian, London, and New York. So we'll start from London and go down to like New York and see if we get. You said only if we look at only 5-minute MSU. So let's see. Let's take this back to here. Oh, hold on. Let's use another broker. Sorry for this. I'm having Tuesday. Good. This was Tuesday right here. Okay, this was Tuesday. So according to like Mike, right, we're going to only focus on 5 minutes. Okay. So let's switch to 5 minutes and see if we can get any trade opportunity in London and New York sessions. So right here for Tuesday, right? This was Asian session and good end of Asian session, start of Frankfurt, right? So what we're basically seeing here is this. But focusing on the 5-minute time frame, right? We need to like still understand higher time frame intention. We need to know where price is coming from. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking at if I'll be on the 5-minute time frame. Fake POS, possible inducement. We can get this, or we can get mitigation of this and then drop. So let's go on higher time frame and see where price is heading to. So from the higher time frame, we've been like bearish on the 1 hour. Let's start from 4 hours time frame now. So from the 4 hours, right? Let's see session. Okay, good. So from 4 hours, we had right here MSU, completion of MSU right here. This was 4 hours through break of structure, MSU POI complete at this level. So right now, we don't know what price is going to do. And price took out this level right here. This was an SLQ. So we had this, and this. So this high right here is the structural liquidity. So we might want to like keep buying, target this side because we're seeing a 4 hours rejection candle right here. Okay. So we have this from the 4 hours. Then we go down to 1 hour. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. Now from the 1 hour time frame now, this was our 1 hour range. This right here is also our 1 hour range right here. So all of these are just internal structure. And at this point, hold on, let me be exact. Right here, that low was taken out. So this high is 1 hour ILQ. Okay, we have this as 1 hour ILQ. Then we go on the lower time frame. Let's check the 30 minutes. Still the same ILQ on 30 minutes. 15 minutes, still the same liquidity. Then we bid on 5-minute time frame. Now, since we're having this on 5-minute time frame, we might not want to take this sell. Instead, we'll look to buy, target this ILQ before we can then short. So this is what I want to do on the 5-minute time frame. So from 5 minutes, we just keep on watching and see what price is going to do. And so at this point right here, we got 5-minute inducement that got taken out, right? We have fake BOS, inducement. Now this is an SLQ, so we get this and then this for London before we can look to short. That if I'm focusing only on 5 minutes. So this is London open and price took out this structural liquidity on the 5 minute. Then we have this unmitigated peak as our PY right here. Now we want to actually buy. Right now, there's no mitigation for this sell, and there's no candlestick wick, no reaction of anything from here. So now, after this liquidity has been taken out, then we can go on M1 to wait for mitigation or look for a trade opportunity to long. Then we go on M1. We can also use 3 minutes. 3 minutes, price reacting from this 3 minute wick right here. This is what price is reacting to. We go on M1. Now,
Sorry, bro.
yeah,
I have a question. And sorry for late join. So after M5 inducement, why didn't you sell? Like looking for the sell?
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I know the EPA is the EPA is above, but I know that sometimes price can fall without just inducing the high, right?
Yeah, that's true. Now,
Mhm.
the reason why we do not take any sell here, because if we are only focusing on 5 minutes and not checking other time frames, just like Mike asked, right? We would want to look for sell here to target this way. But because we had to go to 4 hours, go to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and we saw a possible inducement liquidity right here from a higher time frame, right? That means
Okay.
we take sales right here, okay? We know price. We have if we be taking any sales here, that sales is going to be like too early because we actually want this side to be taken out before we sell. So instead, we are focusing on the buy side to take our buy after this SLP got taken out, then we got mitigation at this point. So this buy is what we would want to take before we then look for sales based on higher
Okay,
time.
but if we would have the price behavior after M5 inducement, then let's say, yeah, then we could sell there, right? And I think we got the perfect one with the perfect rejection candle.
Yeah, we can. If we got the price behavior, price delivery, we can sell from here.
Okay.
Just like we can sell from here and then look to buy from here, hedging. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Understood. Thanks.
Okay. So now at this point, price took out this 5 minute SLQ right here, and it's reacting from a 3 minute peak right now. This is like few minutes past London session, and we got a rejection candle right here. So now I'll be taking this buy instead to like go higher right here, to go higher to take out this inducement liquidity. So I'll be taking that buy. So if we have been in this sell and then we'll be in the buy, we'll be like hedging to see which of them actually play out, because we are not reactive. Okay, we want price to like go our way. We have a specific direction, but that doesn't mean we will not take trade against that direction when we see perfect trade. So this is what I'll be doing right here. So from the 5 minutes. So this is what I want to see right here. Okay. So now if this is our inducement right here, this could be like a double inducement for price to come into this and then drop right here. Now we're taking this buy, we still have this PY that price is yet to mitigate. Plus we have Asian low right here. So this sell would have been a good one because we have Asian low as liquidity right here. So we are taking a risk by taking this buy. So let's see. Good, exactly. So we got Asian low as liquidity. This POI was yet to be mitigated. Okay, so price actually respected the 5 minute inducement, fake POS, inducement, double inducement, and then went down to take out this. Somebody was asking about the liquidity, which of them is stronger. I can't remember SLQ or ILQ. I think this one example right here has proven that ILQ is actually stronger than SLQ. So this is what we have right now. Asian low has been taken out. Then still on the 5 minutes, we keep on looking for setup, right? So from 5 minutes, marking out external structure point, we have this, because this was external, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one right here. All these are external structure point. So we can actually see this and then this, or we can keep on seeing this. Maybe an ILQ to continue the buy. So this is what we want to see from the 5-minute time frame. Now we can as well go back to see if price reacting off anything right here. We can then switch to a higher time frame and see price reacting off anything. And if price reacting off anything, then we can look to take our buy. Okay.
Sorry, I have another question.
Yeah.
Can this be seen as, let's say, if I follow the M5 structure, can this be seen as MSU POI?
M5 structure, yes, it can, because this
Okay.
was the structure right here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, okay.
And then following actual structure, right? This will be liquidity.
Yeah, this is SLQ. Yeah, and that makes sense if we get just rejection CSP. Okay.
Exactly, and that's the sell I will be looking forward to with just like Antonio from the 5, because that's a simple entry from there. But the only thing that would take me off is the EPA, because there is not an EPA on the higher one just above that.
Okay. Did you trade off the sell?
No, I did not, but I would have like just try from what I see from this one. If there was a EPA on that, that's the only thing I would be waiting for to take the sell from this 5-minute, if there was one.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let's see what price is doing. Still on the 5-minute, right? Okay. Now this is London. London open actually went to take out Asian low. Now we got a rejection candle. But at this point now, this was rejection candle right here. Okay. Now we'll actually be looking to see what price is reacting from, because we cannot just enter this buy blindly, because price took out Asian low right here, right? As price took out Asian low, cannot just trade off this buy. Sorry, cannot just trade off this buy and stop loss, right? We want to see what is price doing, right? So we have this 5-minute rejection week, so we've marked this week. So we've gone M1 to look for entry opportunity. But then let's see what price is reacting to. Okay, let's see. What is price reacting to? This is from a 1-hour time frame, right? So from 1 hour, we have this week right here. We have this other tiny week right here. I think price broke through that one, right? From the 1 hour. Then from 4 hour, let's see what POI is that. From 4 hours, we have this week right here. This week, and then that 1 hour that we marked. Let's see if that is what price is reacting from. Let's go back to a 5-minute time frame right here. This was what price is reacting from right here. So when price takes out like a liquidity level, which especially the Asian high or the Asian low, right? We should not like trade it off blindly. We should look and see what price is reacting to from the past. And price took out this Asian low right here and is reacting from this H1 week, right? So then we can also tend to look for our buy position. So let's see, this is the 5-minute. You can as well go to 3-minute time frame and see what price is doing. So from 3 minutes, no rejection week, they'll move on M1 to see if we can get our trade opportunity. So from M1, let's see. Okay. From M1,
Would you consider this first bullish candle closure as engulfing one?
yes, I would. This one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would consider that an engulfing.
So can we enter just at the closure?
Yes, we can enter the closure, right?
Okay.
Either at the engulfing closure right here, or just wait for price to mitigate.
Mitigation, yeah, but the gap was small, so
Yeah, exactly. So let's say we take this one right here. This is 2.5 pips, right? So we can as well protect the stop loss right here. But trust me, this is a very aggressive buy. Okay, it's just like us trying to catch a falling knife. Okay, but we got a confluence, we got a mitigation, a 5-minute wick, and on M1 price came into that wick. Okay, so we can as well still be looking for a entry. So let's see if this one right here ends up a good trade. And let's see. Okay, and because for this buy right here, because we like played the candles on 5M, we missed a re-entry from this point right here. So let's see what price is going to do. And so even this rejection candle would have been the entry too. So let's see. If we had like a second time frame, we would have seen that right here we would have seen a price delivery on the second time frame. But for this one, it's not clearer on the M1 time frame. So let's see if we can get a re-entry. So if price should come back to take out this low right here, that would be a 1 minute price delivery. We want to see this and then a buy continuation. So now for this buy, okay, let's see. At this high right here, we would want to go break even on the buy because that's like one level of structure and it's way far from
Mark,
where the price is. Yeah,
would you not consider this as price delivery? Can you go lower?
let's go. Yeah, which one?
This. And then enter after this candle closure.
Let me see that. Hold on. External price. This no, that's not price delivery on this time frame. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, unless we want
It's on seconds, yeah.
Did you wait
on
for this got taken out and then
re-entry. Yes, exactly.
all
If
right.
there's a price delivery right here, but it's much clearer on the second time frame. If we're considering this bullish candle and this bullish candle, so we'll be getting this move, and this move right here. So this will be a price delivery on the second. Yeah, but now on
Right.
M1, for it to be much clearer, this is what we want to see before we take the buys. Now this is like another price delivery right here. This one, okay. We had internal fake BOS, inducement, mitigation of EPA right here. So at this bullish candle closure, I would want to hop on the re-entry right here. This 2.5 pips. If I want to like protect my stop loss, I can take it to this low. But this is way too much. So I'll just like take this trade, regardless of what's going to happen, because I'm well aware that price can actually do this right here. So now, remember, you should like keep switching from time frame to time frame. So let's say before we take this, let's check on the 3 minutes. This is what price is doing. So from 3 minutes time frame, we only have this and this, so no possible sign of a price delivery on the 3 minutes time frame. So since 3 minutes is not giving us a different price action, right? So we can as well hop on the buys right here. Assuming 3 minutes was giving us a delivery that this low right here was the liquidity, right? Then I will not take this. I'll wait for price to do this. Then I'll look for a buy. So
I have a question. So if you enter on M1 and knowing that like we could easily get M3 price delivery,
yeah,
would you break even fast on this? Like when this high got broken?
yeah, I'll go break even fast, but I'll still try to. No, I'll not break even here. I'll not go break even here because
So
price
you're
can.
willing to, okay.
Yeah,
But
because price can still come back down into my entry price before to going higher. So I think at this high, that's where I would like tend to break even.
okay, but so looking in M3, like this would be the price delivery. So price could do this, right?
Yeah.
So just to protect, are you willing to risk to take the L, or you and trying to re-enter there, or would you try to protect this buy with going break even after this high or fast?
Okay.
If you
Now,
know what I mean.
yeah, I get you. Now, I will take this right here. If this was entry liquidity, right? I will take this right here. Okay. I'll take this. I'll
Okay.
risk it. Yeah. I'll risk this buy. If it hits stop loss, I know I still have this one running. Because
Okay.
I still have this one running. So even
But
if
but
price,
let's say if you haven't entered in the first, if this is your only buy,
okay.
this one.
Yeah.
How would you manage?
I'll
You
protect my stop loss. I'll
ah,
protect
okay?
it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
All right. So let's see. This is still okay. This is still London. Okay, so this is what we have, and I think at this point right here. So Mike, based on you focusing only on the 5 minutes MSU,
Yeah, I'm focusing on 5 and 3 minute. Like 3 minute, I've tested like today. 3 minute MSUs are also like high probability from what my understanding, but I still have a lot of back testing to do. But mm, that's what I'm looking into, 3 and 5 minutes. I don't go to 1 minute at this point, just to because my role is just to take 1 to 2 trades per session, and that's about it.
Okay, cool. And you know how we do use 5 minutes unmitigated weeks too, right? So if we are sticking to like 5 minutes, right? And we got that reaction from H1, okay? And we got a 5-minute rejection candle right there. Let me go back to the 5 minutes. We got, hold on. Yeah, we got this right here, this 5-minute rejection candle, right? If this stop loss size is okay for you, this is like 5.5 pips stop loss, you can as well trade off the 5-minute rejection candle directly, okay, to target Asian high and partial of other highs. Then if it was the 3 minutes you are taking that trade from, right? If it was the 3 minutes, if price comes back into that 5-minute week, then you can trade off candle closure on the 3-minute time frame. Okay.
Exactly. So I just see like on 3 minute there is a break of there is an MSU forming, right? So if the price came back and took that, and there is already an EPA there, I would have taken the trade from like my target is like 3 pip stop loss if possible, 3 to 4, and then I look for like 1:3, 1:4, and I'm happy with that, honestly.
Okay, cool. Yes. So let's just stay on 5 minutes and clear out the rest of London before we answer the next question. Let's say for this trade, this would be our target right here. So now, if we want to like hedge for this right here, this is an MSU POI right here, right? This is an MSU POI, and this is like a 5-minute ILQ2. So we could see this and then this, right? So now, if you want to hedge this trade now, at this point, this last buy to sell candle right here on the 5-minute, we'll be looking for a sell. While we've gone break even on this buy, we're looking for a sell to go take out this low right here. But because we know where price is coming from a higher time frame POI, right? So this buy right here, this sell, I will not be hedging, because I actually want to see clean POIs. And when I mean clean POIs, I mean unmitigated week. Because now this week has already been mitigated by this one right here. So this PO has already been invalidated for me. So I will not want to like treat this last buy to sell candle right there. Let's just see what price is doing. If it respects the MSU, and it did not, right there, it did not even give an entry opportunity for that MSU. So we're going to break even, target this high. So maybe at this high right here, we want to take out partial and let the rest run. So let's still
Sorry,
move.
can you come again with what you said? There's one thing you said. I didn't hear you well. You said the
About,
price is coming from.
okay, good. Yeah. If price is coming from a higher time frame POI, let's say after taking a major liquidity, right? Price tends to be bad because when price took out this Asian low, because Asian low, to me, Asian lows and high, right? They are major liquidity. So when price took out this Asian low, right? I actually want to buy, right? And price gave us this double inducement, took out the true break of structure that was exactly that Asian low. So if we are seeing all of these possibilities, right, then this buy would not have taken it because we know price is coming to this low. So after price took out this low, give us a 5-minute rejection candle. That's like part of our entry confirmation, right? After price took this out, we then had to go on higher time frames to see what price is reacting to. And price was reacting from a 1 hour unmitigated week that gave us this rejection candle. So since price is coming from that POI, right, then we are anticipating the buy to go target the next important liquidity, which is Asian high. So that was what made us took this buy right here. You get that? Does that answer your question?
The major question is, so we'll not be looking to sell from any of the lower time frames points of interest or
Yes,
lower time frame higher.
yes, unless you want to like hedge. Okay, unless you are in for the hedge, you want to like hedge and see which one holds. Like when for cases where I hedge by is when I don't know market direction, where I'm not clear on the market intention. Let's on a daily time frame, price showing me sell, 4 hours price showing me buy. Like I'm confused, I don't know what price is doing. That's when I tend to hedge. I'll take a buy here, try to take a sell. So if the sell holds, I'm fine. If the buy holds, I'm fine. But I don't know if you notice these days, I'm majorly focusing on just one direction. If I have my high time frame set up, if it's a buy to go target a certain high, I only tend to look for buy and not try to hedge, no matter the outcome. That's what I've been trying to do. Even yesterday, Friday, I was expecting a sell throughout. That was why I just kept on selling. So right here, yeah, price took out that MACPY. So if we come back to mark out external structures, all these are external. Yeah. So we might be getting this and then a continuation higher. This is we focusing on the 5-8. If price you take out this low, this high, which is the Asian high, then that will be it for our trade. Then as per mesh, right? I think you only be taking just this buy based on the 5 minutes and 3 minutes only. But if we've gone on M1, they would have taken both. So let's say our target would be this.
Yeah, I also remember when I was
Yeah.
asked this time we considered
Sorry, I
the
did not hear you, bro.
I said I remember asking on Tuesday if that as a what's it called? Yes, a price behavior
Yeah.
for a buy.
Yeah,
I
true.
just wanted to get that.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, this was Tuesday. Yeah, that's true. So let's just see on 5 minutes if any liquidity gets taken out. Okay. So I can't remember what this. Okay, I think this high is the high we're going to take partial. This high is the 30 minutes and 1 hour IOQ.
Yeah.
So let me confirm that. Let me confirm that. Okay, this is from 30 minutes. This is from 30 minutes. Not clear. Hold on. Okay, I think from H1, price give us a whole different structure because we got this level right here. The price give us 1 and 2 level of structure. So if you're looking from the H1 now, this would have been inducement, right? Then after this inducement high, we want to sell at this EPA right here. So let's mark that. Yeah, this mitigation of EPA. Hold on. This one right here. Then going on lower time frame, let's see if there was a PY that would make us try to sell. Okay, maybe this one right here, this tiny wick right here, but I will not be taking this, to be honest. So let's say this tiny wick on the 15 minutes time frame, we got fake POS, inducement, price efficient, and it's mitigating this guy right here. So let's go on the 5 minutes.
Can I ask
Yeah.
something? Can you go on back on a M15?
15, all right.
Oh, wait, let me annotate. Yeah, we got M15 inducement possible,
Okay.
right? With EPA.
Yeah.
And we got, it looks like some rejection. Can you go on lower time frame to see if we get some sell for the sign? Sorry, sign for the sell.
Yeah. So this is 5 minute time frame. So we'll be taking it.
Yeah, and you see the M5 rejection. This one.
Yeah, rejection. Yeah. So if
So this looks good, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And it makes sense to sell from it.
That looks good. Yeah. So if we'll be marking out this M5 week now, right? Let's say we'll be marking right here. So price mitigated the EPA, right? Now,
yeah,
this is from like 15 minute EPA, price mitigated this, then we've got 5 minutes week right here. So we got this PY2 to watch. So we have 1 and 2 PY. So we know that price can actually go back higher and take us out. So let's keep on going lower and see if we would have taken a sell. So on 3 minutes, price also give us a rejection. If Mike would have,
So you see, so
yeah,
I'm not sure. I think I sold there because this is what I got.
okay, in behavior, right? Into the EPA.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly, an inducement. Yeah. So
Okay.
just entry based on the candle closure, just because we got another conference.
Okay. Okay. Cool. I get you. But did you like check on M1? Because let's see. If there was an entry on M1. On M1, that was just a rejection. I also think I sold here. I think I sold here too. I'll have to check the Oanda
Mhm.
and see if I actually sold from this point. But this trade right here, it was actually a good one because we had price behavior before the mitigation of EPA, right?
Yeah.
That was actually a good one, but I think that ended up a loss. And then price still went higher and tapped this PY. And I think from here would have gotten an entry, but that would be break even. Let's see. Okay. The price mitigated that. That was the extreme PY. So maybe on candle closure, we would want to take the sell right here. Right here. We want to take the sell, right? But remember where we are coming from and which liquidity we are targeting. This is a Shanghai as liquidity, right? This is where we're targeting right here. But still on 15-minute change and price giving us an MSU. We've seen mitigation. Now this low would be our next target. So now we have two possibilities. Either price goes down or go back to take out the next liquidity target. So we don't know what price is doing right now. So let's just see how this one.
So does that mean that, okay, so for example, you sold there. Does
Okay.
it mean that you would look for the like take buy, let's say if you get any buy signal
Yes, I would definitely look for buys right there.
as a not hedge, but in case it goes right. So
Yes.
that sell is a hedge.
The sell is a hedge because the buy is like
Okay.
the main target this high.
Okay.
So for
Okay.
this, for these sales, I'll be going and break even aggressively. If price push down low,
Okay.
I'll just go break even really fast.
What does it mean that there you would be already at break even?
Yes, at this point I'll go break even because we've already seen
Okay. And we have M1 LQ. Okay.
Yeah, we've seen M1 EPA, and if let me see what candle color is this right here. Okay,
Buck, so you go break even after break of structure or a recent EPA. Like, what are your systematic approach for break even?
okay. For break even, right? I go break even after price takes out 2 levels of external structure. That's if I'm going market trend, right? If I'm going with the trend. But when I'm hedging, right, I'm going against the trend. I go break even really fast. Because for me going break even right here now, I would have gone break even on this sell. Because price can easily react from this EPA and go back higher. But what we're seeing now on the M1, we're seeing an MSU, fake BOS, inducement, mitigation right here. And then
So we can look for the buy there.
now we can look for a buy right there. Okay.
And could we bought there? Wait.
The bullish rejection can do no. No.
Not the bearish one, but
Yes.
you see the wicks.
Yes. Let me see how many pips is that. So we have this right here. Good. Yeah, let's say I'll take this one. I'll take this one right here. I'll take this buy. Hold on. Yeah, I'll take this buy right here based on the M1. So let's see how it goes. And I'm seeing no reasonable POI right here. All of these are just liquidity. So price can easily take us out on the buys. So let's see. Okay, price did take us out on the buy, actually came lower, mitigated the EPA. So let's see, this was an L, sell still holding. And if price,
And sorry for interrupt.
no problem.
Would you buy there? Because now we are having M1 price behavior.
Yes. I will buy, but because we already missed, let me see. This will be like more than 2.5 pips stop loss. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see this guy right here. It's like 3 point something pips. Honestly, I will not buy again. You know why I'm not going to
Because
take that,
okay,
even if it's actually a good buy, because until when price takes out this low right here, that's when price has invalidated the buy. So I will not be taking any buy on the M1 right here because I've taken out profit on these two buys, right? I've taken out profit on these two buys, and this sell is running. I have L here. So if this sell should hold right here, this is like more profit. And if this buy should actually hold, still more profit on these two positions. So I will not
okay,
even
okay.
another position right there. Assuming I did not take this one and I did not take this sell, then okay, assuming I did not take this sell right here, I would hop on this buy again and see what price is going to do. Then let's see the 3 minutes and see what price is doing. I think on 3 minutes, this will just be a normal EPA. Yeah, on 3 minutes, this will just be an EPA. And if this was the rejection right here, then if mesh should be taking this on 3 minutes, this would be 3 pips. So it would have still been in this trade right there. So let's play it and see what price is going to do. Okay. Now price actually came lower. On the 3 minutes, let's see the price we had from any POI. Let's see. Okay, this week was unmitigated right here. This one was unmitigated. Yeah, I think this was what price reacted to that led to the buy. Then on 5 minutes, still the same week. You see, we failed to go on higher time frames. Okay. Remember, I said when one time frame is not clear, keep switching on time frame, go higher or go lower. So you see, this POI was a 3 minutes plus a 5-minute POI and a clean unmitigated week. So after price mitigated this EPA, gave us this L right here. Price actually came back just to react from a POI right here. And this was what led to the buy right here. So we missed that, and our target would be this high, right? So let's see if price actually goes to our targets. Let's just see. Okay, and that would have been a very good buy. Is price hitting the target? Okay, is to London. Yeah, so this is it right here. So if we focus on the 5 minute and 10 minute, right? For Mike, we'll be taking this buy and this buy right here. So mitigation of this week, at the candle closure, we'd want to take this buy right here, or target Asian high. So for Tuesday, London, we'll take 1 and 2 based on 3 minutes and 5 minutes. But from the M1, you will take 1, 2, 3, but this would have ended up as a break even. So yeah. So Mike, for London, right, which of the trades did you take on 5 minutes and 3 minutes?
Actually, I was just checking that on my screen. So on 3 minutes for Tuesday, around 4 o'clock or London, like I have the time settings around in UTC, I mean, sorry, in the, 1 second. There's on 3 minute, I see like an ILQ, that Asian midline one where you have drawn the EPA. So if that took it on there, I would have looked for a buy there from that 5-minute wick. Yeah. So as
Right,
soon as
sorry, let me come to 3 minutes.
yeah,
Okay.
so the one that you drew the trend line, right?
Yeah,
Like at
this one.
the yeah, exactly. So that's SLQ and ILQ. So I would have waited for a buy to take that ILQ down below that before I can take a buy from there.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's the only buy I would have taken personally. The
Okay.
1 hour rejection at the bottom was too risky for me because there was an EPA, but there was no, like, if the price came back from the bottom one and mitigated that, that's the only one. Then I would have taken the buy, not on the CSP. I look for mitigation if it makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, that
Yeah.
makes sense. Yeah. So that answer your question for Tuesdays, right? Everything good? Yeah, you are. Okay. Yeah. So anybody got any other question? Because I think all this while we were looking at 3 minutes and 5 minutes based on Mike's question. Anybody got any question before we look at Antonio's question on Friday's PA? Hold on, let me see. If I took any trade on Tuesday, let's see. Okay. Yeah. That was happening to my Wi-Fi. It's a little bit slow today.
I think you have a lot of markups, so it needs to time to open it.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
exactly.
same. It's same. And I try to open to on my laptop.
Okay, cool. Where was Tuesday? Tuesday. Yeah, I see. Even on Tuesday, so I think on Tuesday I just took the sales and I stopped trading for that day. Because on Tuesday, yeah, this was it on Tuesday. For me, right? I only took the sales pre-London and also during London, right here. Took the sales and this trade right here, that trade that ended up break even while we were backtesting, right? That trade ended up I think a loss for me or something. I actually took that one, took the sell right here, and for that M1 and H1 week, right? I think I failed to mark that. I could not even see that Tuesday, so I did not take the buy, just the sales and all of that. Yeah, that's it. I
So
think let's
today, you ended up with 1 win and 1 L and 2 break even.
yes, I remember.
Okay.
Yes. So let's look at your question, Anthony. Once you mark on my chat on Friday. All right. Let's see. Not even done Friday's markup.
I think you better see on M1 because
Okay. I think I have a lot of drawing on this layout. I need to clear all of them. Okay, Friday. Yep. So this was Friday's price action right here. The price took out a major liquidity. During Frankfurt, the price took out a Shanghai. I came into the daily POI. We had this refined 4 hours on page 1 week. So, Antonio, let's see your questions right here. I think Friday's price action was a little bit clear, and I was only focusing on sell because I know price direction. That was where we got the daily MSU, and I was only looking for sell, but I kept on hitting break even. So on Friday, Antonio said engulfing. Why did you sell at the mitigation of engulfing? So we got
I think this is that one. I mean on this one.
This one right here.
Yeah.
That is not an engulfing on this time frame.
Like another one. You see?
No, still not engulfing. At this right here, there's no engulfing right here. Because if we are inside of this, right, Pride gave us this fake BOL inducement. This is M1 MSU, right? And then came into this.
Okay.
Yeah, came into this period, right? We'll be looking for a bearish engulfing, but no bearish engulfing right here. Because for bearish engulfing, we want the bearish candle to engulf them.
Okay. Yeah. This is a huge candle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, so no engulfing for that sell right here, no rejection candle, unless we want to trade off this candle closure, but we missed that. And then Pride gave us 1 minute EPA. Even if we'd taken this trade, this one right here, stop loss would still be protected. But it was this one I entered with the rejection candle. But this one, I think this one ended up break even. right? Then after the break even, we got, I think on the 5 minute was way clearer right here. Hold on. Yeah, on 5 minutes was way clearer right here. This was, I think this was a double inducement. I have to check the 5 minute time frame. He said, why didn't you sell after bearish candle? Yeah, even if I did, stop loss would still be like protected. But I did not. I just waited for a clearer rejection week because there was no POI at this point to mark on the M1 time frame. Then engulfing, what is the mitigation of engulfing? Which of the engulfing to be precise? Was it this one?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, cool. Hold on.
And so what I did is I sold there,
Okay.
and seeing that we are having H1 week that aligns with H4 week above,
Yeah.
and seeing this possibility, and by engulfing the bullish candle after the MSU, the M1 MSU, I bought there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
ended up that that one ended up as a L, and that sell also ended up as a L.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
I don't know if that's correct. How to say if I correct managing those trades.
We'll look at that. First of all, let's see what the higher time frames are saying. From the 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's see what they're saying. So for this right here, if we move down, if we move higher to the 3 minutes, let's see.
Maybe it should be better if you want FXCM or because of the markers.
Let's see if it's FXC. Sorry, I have slow internet today. So right here. But this is from the 5 minute time frame. So looking at what the 5 minute time frame is saying, marking on 5 minute structure, this was a high, and okay, this point was structure point right here. So this was just 5 minute SLQ. We had this 5 minute wick right here, right? But there was no reaction, and price broke through that POI right here. Okay, so from 5 minutes, this right here was 5 minutes inducement. This one right here was 5 minute inducement because we had this.
Looking at the M5 structure, isn't so can you remove your drawings?
Yeah.
So okay, this one, then this one.
Oh yeah, that's true.
This one, and this one.
Okay. Hold on, let me map that out properly. Okay, yeah, cool. This
and
one,
then we got this one, this.
exactly, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, okay, yeah, cool. This was what we had. Thanks for that. This one. Okay, yeah, this become structure points right here. And I think on this day too, we had like lots of failure swing. Okay, we had lots of failure swing.
Yeah.
I think yeah, the price go higher. Let's see. Hold on. So this structure was what we're having on time frame.
Yeah. It took this one and it go higher, and I think it
Okay.
gave another failure or something.
Yeah, because I was really waiting for Asian to get
Yeah,
taken.
same.
But price did not, and when it did, I was not important about the sales. Right. So this is 5 minute structure point. And you see how 5 minute structure point is actually a little bit confusing. You don't know if you want to like sell after this inducement, buy after this inducement. Okay. It is just confusing. It was just like a prep for NFP manipulation. So even when we go down on the 3 minutes time frame, right? On 3 minute time frame, all of these are structure points. Right? 3 minutes, we got fake BOS inducement right here, double inducement that led to the triplet structure. This was the reason for this sell on the 3-minute time frame. This sell right here, this was a double inducement on 3-minute time frame. Already happened, and then price still went higher to take out this high. I think all of this would be clearer on 15-minute time frame. Friday price action was really confusing. Trust me. Yeah, it was
Yeah,
really,
it took M15 SLQ and then it dropped.
yeah. So M15.
This was a good buy, if you ask me. The 1 hour SLQ. Not 1 hour SLQ, it's an ILQ, 1 hour ILQ.
1 hour, right? The buy here.
Yeah,
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, you told us about that.
Okay, let's check
And
the
I
1 hour.
said be cautious because Asia low is near.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. This. So more like fake BOS inducement, a buy to go target the high, but price failed to take out this high. So that was more like a swing, right? Price failing to take out this swing high. So price will come back to take out this low right here. So all of these are just like additional confluence for the sell.
Yeah, that failure thing is really interesting.
Yeah. Because right from the daily time frame, we are predicting the sells, right? And
Yeah.
coming back on this one, the MSU failed to be completed, and we're having a failure swing. Price keep on manipulating everybody, but failed to take out this high. It was busy protecting this swing high right here. Hence, we know that this low is going to get taken out. Since price failed to take out the high, that low will get taken out. But then price had a bunch of ranges before New York.
Sorry, can I go back on H1?
H1, okay.
No, H1, yeah. So this things what confused me. Okay, we got failure of the targeting that, breaking that high, right, with this. But can we say if we follow the price, right, price also failed
Exactly.
to take this?
Yeah.
So in that case, target should be this one.
Exactly. Target will be that one. But then price,
And then we got another failure.
exactly. That was very interesting. Another failure upon failure until price finally decided to. And as price was doing all of this, right? See what price was doing. Price was building this as liquidity. Price was building liquidity while it has been taking out all of the highs, with only this high being left right here, while the lows are being protected. Maybe that was why price expected this failure swing to take out all of the lows. Get that? Okay, this is 15 minutes. Now this right here, right? I was also anticipating this as a failure swing. Price failed to take out this low. Now,
and you said that
yeah,
you would close because you didn't like how price
exactly.
looked like.
Exactly. Price was busy protecting all of this low. See what price was doing on the lower time frame. Price was bending, protecting this, protecting this, protecting this. So I had the idea that this was a failure swing and price took out this liquidity. That's why I took partial on the sell. But I was well aware that price was going to take out this high too. I wanted price to take out this high. But I don't know if it did. Let's see if it did take out the high. Yeah, it did not. And later on, price went to take out Asian low. Now at this point, I think I went break even on one of the cells too. No, I went break even on one of the cells because if I had not gone break even then, I would have still been in the trade. But after that NFP news, I missed out on all of the cells. So looking at structure, this 15 minutes, right? We had this right here, this high, and then this low right here. So this was fake BS inducement. So could probably be seeing this and this, or probably only just take out the 50-minute SLQ right here. These are just weakless candle liquidity. Price can take out weakless candles before dropping. So these are all of the possibilities, and this trend liquidity just got taken out. So for New York, the news was NFP was 1:30 UK time. So let's see what price did.
Buck, actually, I took a buy, means just a paper trade buy during London. Based on the 3-minute EPA and 3-minute ILQ, from my understanding, around 4 o'clock London time, 4:35 London time.
Let's see. Is it on 3 minutes, right? Let's go. 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Okay, can you mark that out? Was it this one?
I am actually on my phone, but I will try to mark it out.
Okay.
This one, this broke this, and this was the POI from here, from where I took the buy from there. Does it make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. I took a buy somewhere, but I can't remember where. Probably on M1. Yeah, this buy actually makes lots of sense. This buy makes
Okay. Sorry, if you want to clear the drawing, because I'm on my phone, so I'm unable to. It's kind of hard. Thanks.
Then so let's go back to 5M and see. I would have taken.
Yeah, you took it that, but I think it ended up at break even.
Okay, yeah. Because I don't know, price just kept on protecting highs without taking anything. So right here, we'll be anticipating the news at 1:30. So let's say around here. Yeah, this is right here.
And you said like weekless candles are liquidity, right?
Yeah, weekless candles are liquidity.
So we could use as like if we get some rejection, we could trade off.
Yes, but I have not tested that out. Okay. The
Ah,
price
okay.
how weekless candle and then drop.
Because here on the Fiber story that he posted, I think he marked with the line this one.
Yeah, this was the weekless
Yeah.
candle. Right? And
Exactly.
also, yeah, also for I think the weekless candle that led to one of these buys. I can't remember where. I can't remember where, but there was a weekless candle for a buy. Good, this one right here. This was a weekless candle too for this buy. So that was like an additional confidence. Can you see this? This weekless candle for the buy, for the sell, and then price took out this one, gave us this, and then this was like EPA. We price then took out the weekless candle that led to this.
Interesting stuff.
Yeah, really interesting. Now the news was coming up right there. I think was it Sumant or somebody? He was like, the news is going to be, he was anticipating a false move to the downside and then the buy. I think that happened, that was what happened during the news. And I think this was the news right here. The false move to the downside right here. I don't actually know what price reacted from, but let's see. Let's go to the back. Let's go on H1. Let's see. Price was supposed to react from this week right here, but it did not. Let's see, 4 hours.
If you go to 4H, it's IPA.
For this
Reacted
one.
from IPA.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And then so that was like the
And
fourth
it reacted from H1 APA as well, I think.
yeah. So that was like the false move down. And then there was a very fine POI price reacted from. Oh, trust me, hold on. Let me remove this section boxes. I think was it this POI because this was unmitigated. Yeah, I think this was what price reacted from. Price did not take out the weekless candle. Well, let's see though. Okay. Okay, yeah, and this was another failure swing right here. This one. You know, I took a sell somewhere here, and
yeah, you sold there after M15
yeah,
ILQ.
exactly.
With I think M1
Yes.
rejection candle.
There's also an SLQ that got taken out too for that sell. Or let me just check the 15 minutes to be sure. Okay, no, it did not get taken out. That was for the other sell, right? So yeah, that was for the other sell right there. The other sell that actually went down. That was what happened.
Okay, yeah.
So this was actually a failure swing right here. The price went to take out this high for the sell. No, it's just the price was really interesting. So this was the news move. Price wanted to take out that move, for the news high and the news POI, price normally take them out. So that was what price went to do. And then what happened, price reacted from this POI. And price took out from the M15, right? From the M15, this was M15 ILQ plus M15 SLQ. Price took out both ILQ plus SLQ, mitigating a 5M POI that led to the huge sell, and this was the true breaker structure right there. Yeah, so this was the main sell that I've been waiting for all day and ended up missing the sell. I was pained. I had to like stay up the chart.
Well, you would not call that a rejection pattern.
On this time frame, no, I would not. On this time frame, I would not call that a rejection candle. Let's see if it is a rejection candle in 3 minutes. Yeah, on this time frame, I would call it a rejection candle. Because trust me, I tend to like focus more on the wicks rather than the bodies. So on the 3 minute, this was a rejection candle. But if you would have seen such POI, okay, maybe at this you wait for confirmation and take the sell, or just enter based on the 3 minute rejection candle. Let's see on the M1 if there's an entry.
Okay, because yesterday I was looking to sell based on,
Yeah.
but that candle got me. I was in the trade, but then I closed out again.
Okay. Okay, cool, no problem. So on M1, there was no entry unless you want to take the candle closure. Then you would have gotten involved in that trade. And as the price kept on falling, we got this fake BOS inducement through BOS, MSU POI right here, 50% mitigation of engulfing right there. 50% mitigation of engulfing, another engulfing as confirmation. So right here, you would have gotten involved in like, if you want to trade this aggressively, then we're taking this one, but I will not take that one. So if we're looking for an entry, this will be 1 entry, 2 entries.
Sorry, would you sell if there was engulfing candle?
Yes, I would. Because this, yeah, I would sell. Because this was like the main move for the day because we've been anticipating the sell right from the higher time frame, right? So this is like the main move right here. So as price is moving violently towards that direction, trust me, the slightest thing will actually make price keep on falling. Like just like this MSU, without mitigation, price fell. MSU POI, price kept on falling. So yeah,
Okay.
if I've gotten engulfing or a clean rejection candle, I'll take this one right there.
So that means that if you go a little higher, like to the left,
What did you say?
can you go to the left? No, on M1, but to the
M1?
yeah, but to the left.
Okay.
Yeah, here. Okay, here.
Okay. This is yeah.
Would you? Can this be seen as engulfing?
No, we can't. No, no.
Because you need to see the engulfing the whole candle with the wicks, right?
Exactly.
Or
Now, yeah,
okay,
with the two, just like this now. These two,
okay,
perfect engulfing. This and this.
okay,
Perfect.
okay.
Yeah. Now, if I'm going to like flip these two, this and this, I take this one here, that will be an engulfing too. Get that?
Yeah, makes sense. Okay.
Yes. So that was it. So it was perfect. Oh, but the price action yesterday was really interesting. I think I also took this sell here, but that was break even. I think I did another re-entry right here, right? But that was break even. I think I did. And I was really wanting to take sales. Like I really wanted to take that sell because I know price is going for the daily two breakout structure, right? So I really wanted to be in the sell, right? But I knew NFP was going to like do something, right? But then I did not. I think after this break even right here, I just closed the chart and went to do something else. Yeah. So that was that for Friday's price action. Yep. So Antonio, is everything clear on Friday? Yeah, Antonio, let me answer that your question. Remember that question? Can you remind me of the day that buy? Hold on, let me go on one that I'll remember.
Wait, I think I'll tell you exactly the date. Wait.
Okay. 2020, so yeah, whenever you have the date.
Okay, it happened 10:15. That's the timing, and the date is 31 of May.
Okay, hold on, let this load. 31 of May, right? 31 of
Yeah.
May.
And 10:15 your time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
this one.
bye.
Exactly.
I remember. That I said on the group chat, I said I was not going to take the buy. Oh, and that was a mistake. I remember the buy. This buy that happened right here. Okay. So
Yeah.
how did you take how did you take the buy?
Like I took it, but spread took me. So
Out, right?
this is yeah. I saw like I think there was M3 APA,
Yeah.
and this was M1. Wait, fake BOS. Yeah.
Inducement still M1
Yeah.
EPA. Yeah, still M1 EPA.
Yeah. Yeah, and then just 2 or 3 rejection candles. So yeah, I think I jump into one of those. I think I waited for the bullish one, and I used fixed 2.5
Let's go
SL.
back. Okay.
Yeah, and spread took me out, and then
Okay. No, this candles, these first two candles right here, you know they are indecision candles, right? It doesn't
yeah,
this
yeah,
to that rejection. Yeah. So let's see 2.5 pips. If we enter at this candle closure, this one right here, or let's just say this one right here. Hold on. This
yeah. I think I enter at the first like the bullish candle closer.
this one?
Yeah, but like spread took me out.
Oh, I get. So this is 2.5 pips. Oh, I get you.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
So now, right, to like to like stay on this trade. Let's say this is like EPA, right? Now,
yeah,
unless at exactly mitigation of EPA, getting on this trade right here. You get in early at any of the week, right? This 2.5 pips, and you are running a zero spread. This buy will be protected. Or you see this as fake POS inducement, a double inducement for price to come take out this weakness candle. You see, this was a weakness candle right here, okay? So you seeing this and having that intention that okay, this is liquidity, one price to take out this weakness candle and come into this POI right here before you buy or just take out that weakness candle, then you will not take this buy right here. So now this is exactly how Antonio, this is exactly how he entered, how fiber entered, right? So anticipating this one, but price took out this, gave us inducement, double inducement right here. So now waiting for this trade to happen, right? And then price did
yeah.
not
But I think it didn't. Yeah,
it
it didn't
didn't take
happen.
out the weakness candle, but instead it gave us this guy right here, a candle closure and another rejection candle. So this was the entry and stop loss 2.5 pips this way. This would be it,
So for example, if you if
right? Yeah. You were saying something, Antonio?
yeah, sorry, I mute myself. So if you have taken that one, the buy
Yeah.
that I had, and you got stopped out with 0.01
Yeah.
pip,
Yeah.
would you
So
enter just there exactly?
Yeah, I would. But I was not interested in the buy that day, so I was not even looking at anything. Yeah, I'll be right.
Okay, okay,
Now that's settled, right?
okay. Makes sense now. Thanks.
No problem. Yeah. So, who got any other question? I think we've been answering questions, and that's good. Who got any question based on last week's price action or anything at all? Let's look at them. I think I also have question.
Yeah, if you just can, I know you mentioned about your daily bias that you go on the high time, I think daily time frame, and then you decide from there. If you just wanna like explain that quickly again, not for Friday, but just in general overall, for like maybe any couple of days, so that can help us for like the bias, because I also believe in the bias, and that's why I just look for like pro trend moves.
Okay, cool. Now let's see. Hold on. For any day, right? So let's use this, no, not this day. Now, what day should I use? No, I'm not going to use this because I've already explained this self, right? Because I want price to take out this low from the daily time frame. But this would be like daily to break of structure. So let's see this. So let's say we have this right here. So from higher time frame buyers now, right? From daily time frame. See, the key to all this, right? If you just mark out your external structure, you're going to know where the liquidity is. You're going to know what liquidity needs to be taken. So let's say I start from my daily time frame. Price is coming from this week, right? And from daily time frame, I'm marking out structure points. I don't want to confuse myself with all of these structures. So we have this, right? This high, this low, this high, this low. Now there is a price behavior into this POI. So assuming now, right, we are at this point, I'll come back to right here, right? Assuming we are at this point right here. Good, we are at this point, and we see what price is reacting to. Price reacting from this week right here. Okay. Now this would be our daily fake POS. This would be our daily inducement. This is price behavior from the daily time frame into this POI. So now I know this price reacting from the daily. I know this. So having a price behavior now, what's price possible? Price supposed to come back, take this side on daily time frame. So I know that, okay, good. The price intention will be bullish until this side got taken up. And this on the daily time frame. But now it doesn't mean that from the lower time frame, you will not take sell, because from lower time frame, you might be seeing a 5-minute like MSU for the sell right here through break of structure before the buy, right? We can hedge it as well. But I know that my intention will be bearish until this side get taken out. So this is one, how we got our buyers from daily time frame now for this, right? Then where price was, okay, right here, price was here now. Price took out this guy right here, and we see that
So
price.
sorry, can I? Sorry.
Yeah.
What about this one? So this could be possible. This is MSUPOI, right?
Yes, that's MSUPOI.
So we can, in that zone, we can look for the sell.
Yes, you can look for yourself. Exactly.
Okay, but you're not expecting, but your bias is to the upside no matter that MSUPOI or
Now, for this, right? MSUPOI, right? We want to look for sell. We can look for sell, right? You know, this is daily time frame now. For this bearish move, for this bullish candle right here, price opened at this point, came all the way down here, right? Before going up to close right here. So this move from this point to this point right here, on the M1, this can actually give you a 10R. Do you believe that?
yeah. Okay.
But this one day time. So yeah, so we could take a sell right here, but we already know price intention, right? So if this one daily time frame now, price already took out this our buyers, right? And now price is coming from this week. We have 1 week here. We have another POI right here. Now, if we go on the much higher time frame, we are going to see price intention clearly. But we're staying on daily time frame. We look at that too. So from daily time frame, we have mitigation of EPA. but price coming from this week. So price can easily come down to take out all of this POI. And if this fails, this EPA will get respected and price will react from this one right here. Now, going down to the 1 week, let's see, weekly chart, right? So from the weekly chart now, this is what we're seeing now. This whole week right here, this whole week, this whole week right here, right? To be a POI, because what I'm seeing now from the weekly, marking of external structure is a weekly delivery, right? This delivery, price look at all of them. So price can easily then fall to take out this one right here. So now you see from the weekly now, you want to sell, right? Then from the daily, price can either respect this POI or respect this EPA to go mitigate this POI, or maybe another POI on the lower time frame. Or now we know we are bearish until this low get taken out. So before we go bearish, it's either price falls or it buy to sell. So you see we have our direction now. Price is reacting from here. Hold on. Price is reacting from this EPA right here. So if we play price expected that EPA, and then you even took out everything. So you see we are anticipating sales, but we wanted to buy to sell. So if we would have taken this buy right here, from this to this would have been a very good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is how we like know our bias, right? Then if we look at another thing, so let's see the daily time frame. So right here now, what is going to be like our direction? Still external structures. We have this. All right, we have this low, we have this high right here. So now we are looking at this high. Hold on, we are looking at this high to this low as our last external range. So everything happening is internal structure, right? So now we have this now. So price can either take out this liquidity level, mitigate this POI, and then go higher for the true break of structure, or price can continue creating subjective structure until we see an objective structure that we want to trade from. So this is like from the daily, right? If you go on the 4 hours, you're going to see different go to 4 hours and 1 hour, you're going to see your different market intention. So let's see what 4 hours is saying on this day. So from the 4 hours, where is our structure point? We had this high right here was 4 hours, right? Then, hold on, let's see. All of these are external, all of these. So right here, we got broken. So we have this right here. So we have this. This was on that structure point right here. This was on that structure low. The price did this, came down, did this, dropped right here, and now we have this. So from the 4 hours time frame, we're going to see this right here as a fake break of structure, this as an inducement, this as a structural liquidity right here, and price failed to take out this high, right? So we got IDM, SLQ. So right at this point, we know good our buyers will be to sell, to take out this low. 4 hours ILQ plus the SLQ, and this would be like a failure swing. So we know we are all bearish, right? And then as we are bearish, right, price is giving us this too. Hold on, let's see if this was
Sorry, can this be seen also as a failure swing?
which one? Hold on, let me mark that as well. You mean this low? Price fail this low?
Yeah.
So to say price failed to take out this one and is going for the high, or price is failing to take out this low?
So price is failing to take this low.
Okay.
Okay, we got first failure swing right there.
Okay. Yeah.
With this, okay. Then our target is, as you said, this one. So sorry for bad drawing. And then when price was moving down, it looks like it didn't manage to break that one, right?
Yeah.
So can this be? Can we say it's failure swing there?
We can say it's failure swing, but for failure
Because
swing,
the failure swing thing stuff, it could be very, very how to say, complicated, because this could be seen as failure swing, then this could be,
yeah, exactly. But I don't want you
this
guys,
could.
yeah, I don't want you guys to like overcomplicate it, because now for the failure swing, right, what I mean is, like, let's say this low price is failing to take out this low and it's reacting from here, right? Now I'll have to see a reason to buy, right? Price might be like ranging and giving me many reasons to take buy. Then I'll then be considering that, oh, maybe this buy might actually hold and price will fail to take out this low and then price will go take out that high. So more like until I see a reason for price to not take out that low, maybe price start accumulating and not moving, right? Not moving, just doing all of this while the low that I was supposed to take was at this point. So maybe when price is failing to take out this one and it's giving me multiple reasons, right? That multiple reasons for the buy, then I'll consider this one a failure swing for price to go take out the high. So I don't know if price actually gave me that here, but right now at this point, maybe this would be the failure swing for price to take out the high. But at this point right here, our intention will be bearish. Take out here. So because we are anticipating for this low to get taken out, right? Doesn't mean that when we get a buy, we will not take a buy. If we see a buy opportunity, we'll take a buy. We'll hedge a buy and have possible levels for like targets or partial while holding ourselves to take out this low right here. You get that?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So that's what we're having. So for this higher time frame buyers, we want this low to get taken out. So we'll be looking for sales until the low get taken out, unless otherwise we see a reason for the buy. So Mike, does that answer your question?
Yeah, it does make sense. And another thing I've been like this will help a lot. I'm gonna watch it again anyways for the daily time frame bias. But another thing I've been testing is during London session I wait for whatever 1 hour or 4 hour ILQ has been taken, and then that's how I am deciding my bias. So as soon as 1 hour ILQ is taken, and if the price is going down, I'll start looking for shorts, just like you are looking from the daily. I look from 1 hour because of I just look for London session, but this will help me a lot to make sense to establish the bias for sure.
All right, that's good. Then that's good. That makes sense. Yeah. So, anybody got any other questions? Questions. Let's see. Let's see who else is still on. Okay. Yeah, anybody got questions? Let me see what price is saying against next week. So from daily, we got this right here. 4 hours, what is price saying on the 4 hours time frame? 4 hours, we have this SLQ. And price is currently in this week right here. Okay, so price is currently here and we have SLQ. Our intention is bearish until this low get taken out. But now we're seeing a reason for a buy. We're seeing a reason for a buy. This from like the 4H, right? Then on H1 now, on H1, this would be liquidity. But this still the same POI. So maybe I would not want to like use this POI. Maybe I would want to use this one. But now you see something now. You know we want to sell now, right? But as we're looking to sell, price is selling, right? Now we are trying to like counter trend. We're trying to trade against market direction. We are trying to buy. But you see how the buy is not adding up. This was 4 hours week, right? Still 1 hour week, but then this is liquidity before the week. So price can do this, right? Now I want to buy now. If this is liquidity before the week right here, right? Liquidity, right, on H1, we got this H1 week right here. So we want to buy inside of this week. But below that week now, this becomes SLQ on both 4H and H1. So this SLQ get taken out. So you see how we're trying to buy. All of these confluences are trying to say that, oh, price is going to possibly take out all of these buys right here. So maybe until price take out this. So if we'll be looking for sell, maybe price is giving us this. We can see this fake
Buys
POS.
could be the hedge, right? Because
Yeah.
of the bearish intention.
Exactly. So maybe just looking for bearish move, unless market is giving us a reason to buy from here, giving us a reason to buy from here and all of that. Yeah, so that's about that. Everything good? Yeah. So is everything okay? All questions answered, everything clear?
I'm good.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. All right, that's cool. That's cool.
Okay, guys. Thanks for the time. Thanks, Bucks, for the time. Appreciate it.
No problem, Mike. Take care.
Take care.
Yeah, but thanks for the session.
No problem.
Thank you, Buck.
I'll send in the recording for those who are not able to join.
Thank you, Buck. Have a good day.
No problem, Nico. Bye-bye.
Yeah, enjoy your weekend and hear you.
All right, Antonio. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, bro.